Are you tired of messy and disorganized freezers? Do you struggle with portioning your food for freezing? Introducing the Bangp 1 Cup Silicone Freezing Tray with lid. This amazing product is designed to revolutionize the way you freeze and store your food. The Bangp 1 Cup Silicone Freezing Tray is the best way to freeze your food. Each compartment of this easy meal prep container has 4 fill lines: 1/2 cup, 1 cup, 125 milliliters, and 250 milliliters. This makes portioning your food a breeze. With up to 4 cups of food storage, you can easily freeze leftover soup, pasta sauce, bone broth, juice, smoothies, porridge, cookie dough, large ice cubes, and more. It's great for freezing pre-portioned wet food, leftovers, and meal prep. But what makes the Bangp 1 Cup Silicone Freezing Tray superior to others? It's stronger and more durable. Made of premium food-grade silicone, this tray is flexible and durable. It is also BPA-free, ensuring the safety of your food. You can confidently use it in the fridge, oven, and microwave. Say goodbye to those cheap disposable soup containers and start using Bangp's extra-large freezing tray sets. Removing the frozen cubes from traditional plastic trays can be a hassle. Not anymore. The Bangp 1 Cup Silicone Freezing Tray is easy to release and clean. Its flexible silicone and separated divisions allow for easy removal of the frozen cubes. Simply press from the bottom, and the soup blocks will pop right out. The smooth silicone surface also makes cleaning a breeze, and it's dishwasher safe. Not only does the Bangp 1 Cup Silicone Freezing Tray make freezing and cleaning a breeze, but it also helps with easy storage and stacking. Its sturdy and stackable design keeps your freezer tidy and organized, saving precious space. The steel-reinforced rim makes the tray sturdy enough to transport it safely from the kitchen counter to the fridge. Plus, the transparent lids allow you to see the food inside freely while locking in freshness and cleanliness. We take pride in our products and value our customers. If the Bangp 1 Cup Silicone Freezing Trays don't work well for you, please reach out to us through Amazon. We are committed to providing a better solution for every dear customer. Your questions will be replied to within 24 hours. With the Bangp 1 Cup Silicone Freezing Tray, freezing and storing your food has never been easier. Don't miss out on this must-have kitchen gadget. Get yours today by clicking the link in the description. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Check compatibility before purchasing. Thank you for watching, and happy freezing.